Students, in our previous lectures, we are studying about voice. We have already studied from present indefinite to future perfect. Today, we shall study about imperative sentence. Okay? Today, we shall study how to change imperative sentence into passive voice. What is imperative sentence? At first, I am going to tell you what is imperative sentence. The sentence that expresses an order. The sentence that expresses an order or advice, or request, or prohibition, suggestion, 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 etc. The sentence that expresses an order, an advice, or request, prohibition, suggestion, etc. is called imperative sentence. Okay? And an imperative sentence always starts with first form of verb. An imperative sentence always starts with the first form of verb. And in imperative sentence, the subject you is hidden. In most cases, the subject you is hidden. Only you will see the first form of verb. Okay, then you can see either object or some other words. Okay, the imperative sentence will start with first form of verb plus object or first form of verb plus other words. Means in imperative sentence there will always be first form of verb. Okay, and the subject you will always be hidden. Did you understand? Is it clear? Now we shall see how to change imperative sentence into passive voice. So there are many structures. According to structure, I am going to tell you. So let first start with the please or kindly. If a statement starts with please or kindly, then first form of verb. Okay, first form of verb. Then either object or some other words. Then how to change such type of sentence into passive voice? Listen me. The imperative sentence will start with please or kindly, or at the end of the sentence there will be please or kindly. Then such type of sentences will change into passive voice like this. We shall write you are requested. You are requested to plus first form of verb structure. Okay? Example, please help me. Please help me. Okay? So this sentence starts with please. While changing into passive voice, we shall write you are requested. You are requested to help me. Okay? Such type of sentences will not follow any other rules or other structure. They will follow this structure only. Okay? Next, if the statement starts with first form of verb plus object. First form of verb plus object. So it may be an order, it may be an advice. Then while changing into passive voice, you will follow let structure. First you will use let, then object will be the subject, then you will use be, then third form of verb. Okay? Example. Open Open the door. Open the door. Here open is the first form of verb and the door is the object. While changing into passive voice, we shall write let plus the door. In active voice was object. It will be the subject in passive voice. Let the door. Then we shall use be. Then opened. O-P-E-N-E-D. I have already told you, you will not change the structure. Whatever will be the structure in rule, we have to follow that rule. Let the door be opened. Okay? We can also write this sentence in other structure. Open the door. We can also write this sentence in other structure as simply we can use according to their sense. You are advised. A-D-V-I-S-E-D. You are advised. Yeah. You are ordered. O-R-D-E-R-E-D. You are ordered to plus first form of verb. In this structure, we can also change into passive voice. Open the door, change into passive voice in this structure. You are ordered. O-R-D-E-R-E-D. You are ordered to open the door. You are ordered to open the door. Okay? Or you can write it. You are advised to open the door. You can follow both the method, both the structure. Okay? Next, it is said that if the statement in active voice is an advice, if it is an advice. For example, love your country. Love your country. Okay? The active voice structure is first form of verb plus object, and it gives an advice. Then while changing into passive voice, we shall follow. The object will be the subject. Then should, S-H-O-U-L-D, should, then be, then third form of verb. We shall follow this structure also while changing into passive voice. If the active voice statement is an advice, if the active voice statement expresses an advice, then while changing into passive voice, we can also follow this structure. That means the object of active voice will become the subject of passive voice. Then we use should, then be, then third form of verb. Okay? Love your country. The passive voice will be your country. Your country should be. Your country should be loved. L-O-V-E-D. Your country should be loved. Okay? You can also follow the let structure, and you can also follow this structure. Is it clear? Next it is said that if the active statement is a negative, for example, don't cut the trees. Don't cut the trees. If it is negative, then how shall we change into passive voice? We shall use any method, as I have already told you. Either you are advised, A-D-V-I-S-E-D, you are advised not to cut the trees, not to cut the trees, or let the trees, let the trees, let the trees not be cut, or you are forbidden, forbidden, you are forbidden to cut the trees, you are forbidden to cut the trees. Okay, you can follow these structures. Just I am going to tell you, if the active statement starts with don't, then simply you will follow you are forbidden to cut the trees. When you are using forbidden in passive voice, then there is no need to use don't again in the passive voice, because forbidden itself has a negative meaning. Forbidden itself has a negative meaning, so there is no need to use don't again. So you are forbidden to cut the trees has negative sense. But if you are using not, then you will use like this: you are advised not to cut the trees. Okay, to plus first form of verb, that means to infinitive structure will not be disturbed. You cannot use not after to. You cannot use not after to, because to plus first form of verb will not be separated. Okay. Likewise, in the case of let the trees not be cut. Be plus third form of verb will not be separated. So you have to use not before be. Did you understand? Is it clear? Next.